Check out the ultimate in blister prevention. This is a Superskin Mega Roll, and I'm a huge fan. It's super sticky, super breathable, water resistant, and it's good for about 101 different uses in blister prevention. Let me show you what I did just last weekend on a 50-mile ultra run that I did down in Moab, where it was sandy and dirty, water crossings, you name it. It was all off-road, and this guy hung on like a champ. So I just cut a band just exactly like this, slapped it on at the starting line, and it went all 50 miles, no problem. It didn't peel, didn't roll, nothing whatsoever, and I came away with 0 blisters after 50+ miles of running through the desert and rock. Another cool thing I use it for, I work on a ranch a lot, and even with leather gloves, I'll still get blisters. So what I do, simply cut it to the size and shape that I need. This is what mine looks like. It'll wrap around like this, and even if it's on the palm of the skin, the palm of my hand here, it sticks perfectly. I've had 0 issues with this thing coming off, and I get no blisters after a hard day's work, no problem whatsoever. Again, make sure to check this stuff out. This is your go-to #1 blister prevention product. Love this stuff.